Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on the update project functionality. Alright, but before working on this functionality, I will go to the update.go file and here I will create a function and then I will implement that functionality here in the update.pro.go file. Alright, so let's go to the update.go file and scroll up, and here I need to copy this function update profile. Let me just copy it, scroll down. Yeah, this is the update profile, and after copying it, let's scroll down, and here what I will do, I will paste it here, and now what I will do, I will change the name of it like update project, and after that let's write like this and write 3 values instead of 4, and after that let's write board name, and the next thing is project name like this. All right, so let's write board name, and let's copy this and paste it down here, and let's write project name like this. All right, so yeah, this is the board name and the project name. If all of them are empty, then it will return nothing, otherwise it will return this thing. All right, so let's write projects and remove this working status from here. There will be 3 cases instead of 4. So yeah, this is going to be the projects, this is going to be the, what you can say, statuses, and this is going to be the dates like this. All right, so after that let's remove this email and write board name, board name and project name. Once it is done, let's write, what you can say, board name, boards, and projects like this. All right, boards and projects. So yeah, this is how it will work. So now all of these things are done. So yeah, let's save this and see whether it contains any kind of error or not. Nothing. All right, so let's save this and go to the what you can say update pro.go file, and here I will copy some of the data from the add pro.go file, and the first thing that I'm going to copy is this one and paste it down here. Let's change the name from add pro to update pro like this. All right, and I will modify these things, but first of all let me just copy these things, let's copy this all. Let's copy this, and I think I need to copy from here, not this bracket. Yeah, so yeah, let's copy this, and after copying it, let's paste up here, remove this, paste down here. So now what I will do, I will remove some of the data from here. The first thing is to remove the account name, and now the next thing is to remove is this project, user project and the member project. After removing this, I will, what you can say, I will first of all change the name of them, first of all let's remove this remove add, and here I will write update. Now after that let's remove this, let's copy this one more time and paste it, remove this person from here because it is not required for the updating of the project. So this will be old project, and this is going to be the new project like this, and this is for the O, this is the new like this. All right, specify the old project name and specify the new project name to update it. All right, so all these things are fine, but now let's go up, and what I will do, I will copy this, paste it one time like this, and remove the person name, and here I will write old project like this, and this time it will be new project like this. All right, so similarly I will write, what you can say, old project and new project like this, old project and new project. And once it is done, let's copy, save this, and what I will do, I will remove this user project from here because it is not required. Similarly, I will remove this else statement also. Now let's remove this else statement from here. and let's remove this if statement from here also. Yeah, so now let's remove this and also this another this if statement, because I'm not going to match the person name with the account name because it is not required. I'm only going to match the user board with the board name. All right, so let's remove this MySQL and write MySQL update project like this. Sorry, update project. And in the update project there will be 3 values. As you can see here that there are 3 values that will be required, so I will create a values directory also, and after that let's write the board name and the old project name. All right, so this is going to be the old project, so it will basically find the data, find these values and update them based on the old project name and the board name. All right, so if the new project name is given, it will not update it, so it will find the data based on the old project name and the board name. Once after finding the data, it will update these values that I will give it here. All right, so I will create this, but first of all let me just copy this and remove this from here. And after removing it, I will create a variable like values, and that value would be 3 string, and the first value is going to be the project new project name, because here you can see that this is the project statuses and date. So I will write the new project name, and after that the status and the date. So basically these are the values that will be updated. All right, so this is the thing that I have written new project instead of writing old project. This is the new project name that will be updated in the values that I have written it here, and this is the old project. Based on this old project name and the board name, these values will be changed and they will be detected. All right, so yeah, this is the common variable that I have written it here. So yeah, this is done now. So let's write update it instead of writing insert it. Let's write updated here also. And now let's remove this person name, because I'm not detecting the person name here. I'm just finding the board name. Yeah, remove this like this. All right, so the board name is wrong, or the board name here is also wrong, and the project is successfully updated. Yeah, so let's, instead of writing project, I will write project data, because the project is not just a project, it is the project data that could also contain the status, or that could also contain the date of that project also. All right, so yeah, this is fine. Now let's save this one also. Now let's write go install, and after working on this, let's write MySQL root p, give the password like this, use proctl, select from projects like this. And now you can see that there are 2 projects that are present here. So let's say, as you can see, that this is the new project, this is the 3rd project. So what I will do, I will change the name of any project. So yeah, let's write proctl update pro, and this time what I will do, I will write what you can say board name. All right, because for the project to be updated, there are the things that are required, like the board name. So I will write board name, that would be this board, like this, Vanes board. All right, so Vanes board, and after that I will insert the old project name with the new project name. So let's write old project is what you can say, this is the old project name, that is called the new board, like new board, and the new project name that I'm going to update with is the what you can say first project. So this is the new project. That is the new project is not the new project, instead it is the name of the project that is old, and I'm going to replace this new project name with this name, that is the new name. All right, after that, if I press enter on this, you will see that the project data is successfully updated. Let me just show you. You can see here nothing is changed except this first project name. All right, so now this is working fine. Now let's work on these statuses and dates. So let's remove this, and the board name will not be changed, because based on this board name the project will be changed, or the project data will be changed. All right, so this is the important point that you need to keep in mind. Let's write the old board name, sorry, the old project name, because the old project name is now, this one is the first project, this is the old project name that is now inserted. And after that, let's say if I don't want to update the project name, instead I just want to update the what you can say, the status. So for that I will write status, that will be not done. You can see here that the status is this one, done. I will write in working, like this, in working. Now you can see the project data is successfully updated. So let's show you. You can see that this is showing me in working. So why I have changed it? So basically you need to be aware of this, that in order to find the status, or in order to change the name of the date, change the date or change the statuses, you have to put the old project name and you also have to put the board name, because based on these two credentials the other credentials will be changed, like the status will be changed based on these two credentials, the date will be changed, or the project itself will be changed based on these two credentials. This is the important point that you need to keep in mind. Although this is not the old project name, but this is just the project name that I updated, but you need to, this is the flag that I have given it for this old project, so you need to give the flag that will be the old project flag, and after that you need to give the project name that is recently present in the MySQL database, or that is recently updated here. And based on these two credentials, you can update the status, or you can update the date, or you can update the project itself if you want to. So let's write the date, what you can say, the date. So the date would be like, what you can say, the date is going to be, this is the date that is showing to me here. So what I will do, I will change this date, like, first of all, let me change this date from 00 to, what you can say, let's not change the 00, instead I will put this third project, because it's the old project name. So let's write third project, yeah. So now this name will be changed, these credentials will be changed, because I have put the project name this, although the board name is the same, Wayne's board and Wayne's board, but it is differentiated through this project name, like this is the first project, this is the third project. This is the reason that I have written the third project. So I want to change the date of the third project. So what is the date? Instead of writing 000, I will write 111, like this. All right, so you can see that the project data is successfully updated. If I show you, you will see that now the data is changed from 00 to 11 based on this third project credentials, although the board name are the same. All right, so yeah, this is working fine. So now what I will do, I will write git add, git commit, and now let's write added the, updated the, what you can say, updated the project details, like this. Git push origin master, like this. Sorry, origin should be written correctly. Yeah, so this is fine. Now let's update, refresh this. 128 commits are now done, updated the project details. So yeah, this is how it will work. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.